Hello everybody, I hope everybody's doing alright. This is 3D extravaganza. It's a nice day out. Today we're going to be turning this silver filament into never mind. Into a Lombardi trophy. Anyhow, a Lombardi trophy. But sadly, I don't have it because I made it for a friend and he already had it. So, yeah. But turned out alright. I haven't printed it. I haven't calibrated my printer in a long time, and I just did. So I think it's back up to specs. Anyhow, hope you all have a great time and a great video. Yeah, that was hilarious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Works good. Please hit this. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the smash button and hit hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of anything you want me to print, because I can run out of ideas. So don't forget to hit the smash button, hit the notification button, and I'll bring you some more next time.